In this video, let's explore modern application deployment patterns, including blue-green, canary, and rolling deployment strategies. These strategies help ensure smooth and reliable software releases. Let's delve into blue-green deployment, a zero-downtime strategy. This method involves running two identical production environments simultaneously. It allows for instant traffic switching between environments, providing a complete rollback capability. In essence, one environment, either blue or green, is active and serving live traffic, while the other remains idle. When a new version of the application is ready, it is deployed to the inactive environment. After thorough testing, traffic is switched from the active environment to the newly updated one. This approach minimizes downtime and provides a straightforward way to revert to the previous version if issues arise. Here's an example of a blue-green deployment using Docker Compose. We have two services: AppBlue, running version 1.0 of the application, and AppGreen, running version 2.0. Ports are configured to differentiate traffic. To implement blue-green deployment, follow these steps. First, deploy the new version to the inactive environment. Next, run health checks to ensure stability. Then, switch the load balancer to direct traffic to the new version. Finally, monitor the new version closely for any issues. Let's discuss Canary Deployment, a gradual traffic shifting strategy. In this method, only a small subset of users receives the new version of the application. Traffic is gradually increased based on real-time metrics, mitigating risk through limited initial exposure. For example, only 10% of users might initially access the Canary version, while the remaining 90% continue using the stable version. This allows for careful monitoring and assessment of the new release before a full rollout. Here's an example of a Canary deployment using Kubernetes. The configuration directs traffic to the Canary version of the application. Some key metrics to consider during Canary deployment include error rate monitoring, response time analysis, resource utilization, and user experience metrics. Monitoring these metrics closely helps to identify and address any issues early on, ensuring a smooth transition. Let's explore rolling deployment, an instance-by-instance update strategy. This approach involves gradually replacing old instances of an application with new ones, maintaining service availability throughout the process. It's a resource-efficient approach that minimizes downtime. For example, new versions are rolled out one instance at a time, ensuring continuous operation. Let's examine rolling deployment implementation, focusing on Kubernetes rolling updates. The configuration specifies parameters such as max unavailable and max surge to control the update process. Key configuration aspects include setting the maximum number of unavailable instances, the maximum surge of new instances, the update strategy, and ensuring health checks are required. Let's compare the different deployment strategies we've discussed. Blue-green deployment offers zero downtime and instant rollbacks but has a high resource cost. Canary deployment also provides zero downtime, with medium resource costs and fast rollbacks. Rolling deployment has zero downtime, low resource costs but gradual rollbacks. Each strategy has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose the one that best fits your application's needs. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.